In the early mid-1960s, theoretical physicists realized that quantum mechanics was really an incomplete theory. They needed a quantum field theory. And the fields they were thinking of involved having strings, very, very small loops of whatever, who knows what strings are made of, that would vibrate. And as they vibrated, energy would resonate inside the strings. And this in turn would lead to a jelly. The energy would be like a jelly and would effectively congeal. And we'd think of this as a particle, but in fact, it's really congealed energy vibrating inside these strings. So I posed this to Ronald Cowan, a Buddhist monk I worked with for over 3 years. He went and had and observed an electron. I encourage you to look in books, and you'll never, never, never find a picture of an electron, even though we use electricity for many things every day in every which way. But what in the world does an electron look like? So Ron went ahead and meditated, was able to not only see an electron, but stop it from vibrating. And he sketched it, and you'll find a picture of this sketch on the Resources tab on aliphtalks.com, our website. So what picture did he draw? 10 closed strings. They're all vibrating. The energy inside does indeed congeal, but it congeals into a torus, into a donut. So in fact, there's a hole through the middle of the energy field of the electron. And there you have it. He also looked at dark matter, and he noticed that dark matter consisted of 5 strings, not 10, so they were not vibrating nearly as much, and they didn't have any charge associated with them. An electron, for example, has a negative charge. And so everything that we see around us is made up of these strings. The strings, in turn, make up, there would be what we call subquarks. The subquarks make up quarks. The quarks make up protons, electrons, neutrons, and that makes up the atoms that we see around us. This was also observed in the 1880s by a chap named Babbitt, and in the 1890s by Annie Besant and Charles Leadbeater. And modern physics has yet to be able to duplicate these experiments to see that strings are really the basis of everything.